Hey dolls, so today's video is going to be another Christmas DIY video. I'm going to be showing you dolls how to make a gorgeous pink Dollar Tree Christmas wreath. Very affordable, glamorous, very girly, very LB. So grab your coffee, grab your tea, and let's get this video and let's get this DIY started. Let's go dolls.
Plans would come true. My whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Now every time I look at you, something is on my mind. If you do what I want you to, baby, we'd be so fine. Oh, life ain't a ding-dong. If I could take you up in pen, tell me I'm the only one that you know. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Life could be a dream. Ain't a ding-dong. Plans would come true. Ain't a ding-dong. My whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Shaboom, and hopefully we'll meet again. Oh, life could be a dream. Ain't a ding-dong. Plans would come true. Ain't a ding-dong. My whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart.
So I have these balls that I got from Dollar Tree. This year they have the most gorgeous Christmas bubbles, and I got these ones obviously because they're pink and they're just so pretty and perfect for the wreath that I want to make. I got different textures just to give my wreath a different kind of look. I also got and I got like these ones here as well. I also got like a massive wreath. So Dollar Tree now make massive wreaths. Before, their wreaths used to be like I think 12 inches. Now they're much bigger. This one is 18 inches, so this is a really big wreath. And yes, I got that. And then I also found these branches, and they're just like gorgeous pink branches. It's just perfect, it matches the balls. I don't know how I'm going to put this into this, but I'm going to try and make it work. But if I find more of these will look good in my tree as well. I found this, and I'm going to cut this off. I don't want the brown part, so I'm going to just take the reindeer off and give it like a pink bow or like pearls, something like this. Do you see that? Just something cute. And I had to take, sorry dolls, I had to take a sneeze break. And yeah, I found these balls. They always have these every year. Sometimes they're in gold. They have gold and silver, so I got these. I also got these pearls from Dollar Tree, 60, this size, the big size, and I also got the small ones. There's the size comparison, the difference. And I got these might go on here, I'm just showing you. It comes in a set of 3 of the pinks and these white ones, like a set of 4 or something. I'm going to figure out how to implement this all onto my tree. So my tree is going to be very full. And I might be adding this bow that I got from Hobby Lobby. We will see at the end of this project. I just wanted to show you all the stuff I got, and we're going to work our way around this. So it's going to be busy. So I'm going to first thing I'm going to do is actually just cut this off. Because we don't want this, the brown part, we just want the cute reindeer. And I'm going to just give my reindeer a bow and make it look like mine. So I'm going to come back to this at the end of the project. It's so pretty, I love it. Okay, I've got glitter everywhere. I'm now going to start working on the wreath. I'm going to make this as quick as possible, but also very fun for you to watch. So we're going to start with one of the balls, the biggest ones, and just have it on the edges going round. I've done most of it. I ran out of these texture balls, so I had to use these like matte ones instead of the shiny textured ones, and I'm going to start using these ones in the inside. Hopefully I have enough, and I've got like the mini ones as well, so hopefully I have enough to go around. I decided that right here I'm going to use this little Christmas tree to cover this point here. So I'm just going to keep going and we'll see how this turns out. So I've done a lot of stuff off camera. I realized I ran out of these big balls, so I'm gonna go to Dollar Tree and buy them to fill this part up at the bottom. I'm gonna take a little Dollar Tree break while making this, but as I was making this, I've put the most tiniest balls to fill in the gaps, and also not just filling in the gaps, it gives it like more texture. So like you can see, do you see how like it gives it a 3D look? And I also used those disco balls and filled in the gaps as well. I'm also going to be adding, I think I'll do this part first, is adding, and I don't know how this can fit into it. I feel like this is not going to fit into it because I don't want to make it tacky, but this does look nice. This is so gorgeous, but it can't fit on this project, so we're just going to leave that out. I'm going to add the little reindeer inside here, so I'm gonna like lift this up and it's gonna go in the middle, so I'm gonna add that off camera. You're gonna see her at the end. I'm gonna add it like in the middle, the center, and at the end of this video I actually kind of wanted the reindeer dangling with pearls. You'll see at the end how I attach this reindeer. I don't know yet. I don't know how we're gonna attach it or what I want to do with it yet, but just watch at the end of the video when I present this, when this is all done. You're going to see what I did with the reindeer and how I made it look on here, because the reindeer is the centerpiece of this project. I'm also going to add these trees around, I feel like these are going to look good around the wreath, and they're just fillers to fill in the gaps that the wreath might have and just to give it more texture. So I'm going to add the white one and the pink one, but that, I'm thinking, do I dangle it or do I have it sitting? I don't know. We're just going to keep working on it.
2 hours later.
Dollar Tree break, and I found some even smaller balls. So I'm back from my Dollar Tree break. I found some, hours later by the way, I found these small dollar like balls that match the color scheme. I didn't even know they go this small. I thought these ones here were the smallest, but no, look, they go smaller, which is perfect. It's perfect, and it comes in a set of 16 pieces, so I'm going to be using these. I love the texture. It's just small versions of the big ones I have. I also found these ones, which is the size of these ones here, so I'm going to be using those. And I found the ones I need, the big size, which is enough to complete the gap that I have here. So I'm going to complete the gap right now on camera. This is how it's looking so far. I'm going to take the small balls, the smallest pieces. At first I used these to fill everything, but I felt that the silver kind of just clashes with all the gold and champagne kind of colour and the pink, so I decided to go with just these smaller balls now. I found them at Dollar Tree, and all I'm going to do is just find like the little sparse areas and just like fill them out. Anywhere where it's sparse looking, just fill it out, and I'll be done with this. Oh, and I'm going to go in and add some pearls after, so that's what we're going to do right now. final part, I'm going to be adding pearls inside the like little tiny little areas I can see. I've already done some at the top part of this. I'm going to try and add and scatter them around with no rhyme or reason. There's already like pearls hidden here and on this side as well. So with no rhyme or reason, I'm just going to have fun with it and just make it look really pretty at the same time. And then I will do the big reveal and show you how my 2022 Christmas wreath looks like. Okay, let's do this. The wreath is done. I cannot wait to show you. Here it is. So beautiful. It came out perfect. The little reindeer with the little bow. I am obsessing of how gorgeous this came out. It looks so expensive. I hung it above my couch for now. Just temporarily until I figure out where I'm going to put this, because I don't know if I want this outside. Look at how it came out. It's just so beautiful. It looks too pretty to be outside. It's so stunning. I'm obsessed with it. So pretty. Oh, I'm obsessed. I cannot stop staring at it. And it's the biggest wreath I've ever made, because normally Dollar Tree don't have this size, so for me to get this size is actually, you know, I've never had this before, so it's massive, and I love it. I love how big it is. So beautiful. I love it. Every little bit of it. Oh, so obsessed. I love it. These are really fun, and I feel like every single year I top the last one, so it just gets better and better. I've been making so many of these wreaths, like for the past 4 years on my channel. We have a Christmas wreath, and this is this year's one, and I love it. It's just so pretty. Love it. Oh, so beautiful, dolls. All Dollar Tree stuff. Can't believe it. How did we turn Dollar Tree into looking so chic and so expensive? I don't know. If you enjoyed this video, as usual, give it a big fat thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, subscribe down below. I hope you dolls enjoyed this. It's so pretty. I can't stop looking at it. It just puts me in a nice Christmassy mood. And I'm so tired. I've had fun making this. Share this video. Give it the biggest thumbs up you can. Sharing it helps my channel and gets it to so many people. So thank you so much for watching, dolls. Enjoy, and yeah, Merry Christmas, even though we're not ready yet. Oh, by the way, look what I did with the pearls. And on this side. So pretty. All right, we're done. It's just in my living room, sitting by my really pretty lamp for now. So gorgeous. I love it. So pretty. All right, dolls, I'm going now. I can't stop. Oh, so beautiful.
Life could be a dream, and I think I'm planned to come true. And I think I'm my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again, shaboom, and hopefully we get all right. And I think I'm a-lang-a-lang-a-lang, boom-ba-do, ba-dum-ba-dum-ba-dum. And I think I'm a-lang-a-lang-a-lang, boom-ba-do, ba-dum-ba-dum-ba-dum. Oh, life, and I think I'm, if I could take you up and boom, boom, go, shaboom, boom, tell me I'm the only one that you know. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again, shaboom, and hopefully we get all. Life could be a dream, shaboom, and I think I'm planned to come true. And I think I'm my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Now every time I look at you, something is on my mind. If you do what I want you to,